The innovative design of the performance-validated BEST-I ignition cable provides competitive advantages, including enhancing the electromagnetic compatibility to maximize the ignition spark energy without suffering from electromagnetic EMI and radio RFI high-frequency noise interferences. Also, the long-length BEST-I ignition cable has comparable ignition spark energy as the short-length BEST-I ignition cable, ensuring a comparable engine response among all engine cylinders, and providing persistently faster and stronger ignition energy to improve fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance. Furthermore, the BEST-I ignition cable can reduce the cause of environmental global warming raised by the design drawback of conventional ignition cables wire spiraled conductor of having a higher standard specification of electro-resistance in the range from 4 kΩ per meter to 16 kΩ per meter to provide a weaker ignition spark energy. And acting as a high-frequency noise suppression means to avoid high-frequency noise interference. The other benefits of the BEST-I ignition cable include enhanced driving comfort and safety by instant response and quicker acceleration, fuel economy with improved vehicle pulling power, reduced engine vibration, and easy-to-start engine under extreme climatic conditions. BEST-I ignition cable has successfully proven performance track records for two-wheeler motorcycles and four-wheeler vehicles, including racing events, police patrol vehicles, ambulances, and commercial fleets. The performance-validated BEST-I ignition cable passed the SAE-J 2031, Type 4, Class E, and Class F specifications, designed for -50°C to +250°C application, with no breakdown at 35 kV, and can withstand up to 59 kV. The performance-validated BEST-I ignition cable has proven successful track records for various car models. Also, custom design and tailor-made are available per the customer's supplied sample and requirement. The BEST-I ignition cable has proven successful applications for vehicles equipped with various ignition systems including carburetor, fuel injection, advanced injection, and coil-near-plug direct injection. Exemplar in ignition spark energy compared with typical OEM ignition cable, the results showed BEST-I ignition cable provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Exemplar in ignition spark energy compared with typical high-performance racing cables, the result showed BEST-I ignition cable provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. The BEST-I ignition cable has proven winning records in racing events including drift, drag, and endurance. The long-length BEST-I ignition cable has comparable ignition spark energy as the short-length BEST-I ignition cable, ensuring a comparable engine response among all different engine cylinders. Best-I ignition cable also has proven successful performance track records in the form of universal design and OEM design for motorcycle applications. Custom design and tailor-made are also available per the customer's supplied sample and requirement. Application exemplar shows Best-I ignition cable of universal design, a direct replacement of conventional ignition cable for motorcycle application. Further prototype exemplar in Best-I motorcycle ignition cable of universal design for the application of performance motorcycles. Exemplar in ignition spark energy compared with typical conventional motorcycle ignition cables. The Best-I ignition cable shows a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. An exemplar of the Best-I motorcycle ignition cable with winning records in Petronas motorcycle racing events. Exemplar in ignition spark energy compared with Screamin' Eagle and OEM ignition cable for Harley-Davidson. The Best-I motorcycle ignition cable shows a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy.